Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to build a spam bot, and I'm going to use this Pycharm IDE. And let me first go for a new project. Give a name for the project. Let me give it as Python project. Okay, and I'll create it for a new in a new window, and I'll right click and create a new text file as well as a Python file. First of all, I will create a Python file and name it as spam bot. Okay, and again I will create a new file, which is a text file. uh, is going to be given as B. Okay, and first of all we will finish this B file script, which we need to get the entire uh, text file from the movie called B. And I've gone to Chrome and I've just searched for B movie script and got this entire text file. So I'll copy this, you know, copy this entirely. There's a large amount of text in here. Yeah, we got it. And I will copy this. I'll go to PyCharm. I will paste it in the text file. Okay, that's all. And now I'll go to spam bot. We are going to start the code. First of all, we got to import two different libraries. Let me first import Pycharm as P, because simplifying it with P. And we'll also get the time library. Import time as T. All right. Now we will be first of all using a timer, so that when we execute the code will not start to enter each and every line of text. So you'll use the time function t dot time, I mean t dot sleep of maybe 3 seconds will be fine. And then now we will go for a new variable called f, or anything which you want. I'll give it as f equal to open. Uh, what this f does is it will open the B script and it will read each and every line of text. Okay, so we should give the command as, we should give the argument or the parameter as, first of all, the B script. Yeah, it got it, and we should read it. Okay, R, I mean, I think got it wrong. Yeah, small r, not capital R. So this is the read function and the read keyword. And now we're going to use the for loop. I'm going to iterate it over the f, which is an iterable object. So we're going to use for any variable. For example, let me take a variable called x in iterable object, which is f. Syntax is we have colon here. Now let me do the looping process. We should give a set of statements in here. So first of all, we should make the program read everything and write everything. So first of all, we're going to use the typewrite function in Pycharm. So p dot typewrite of x. What this function does is, for each and every x in f, for each and every line of code in f, it will first read it and then type it. Okay, then we need to enter it. So we will again use the Pycharm function p dot enter of, I mean p dot press of enter, not string, enter. This enter will this code will actually press enter button in your keyboard automatically. So this is the entire set of code. Let me first of all add configuration, and it's a Python file, yeah, Python project, and I'll select this file so that we'll execute this file, spam bot. Okay, I'll click apply and okay. Now we can execute this file. I will show the execution of this file in a Word file, Word document. You can also use the same in Instagram or WhatsApp chat box. We're going to start to execute the file. Yeah, as you could see, it's executing. See how fast it goes. All right. So this is what I wanted to convey to you guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, please. See you soon.